What's up, dude?
Oh, hi.
What do you think about this place?
This is insane. And yeah. I mean, I feel like everywhere I look there's a nice view.
That's my son.
Like just over there, there. Like that sunset is insane.
Yeah.
I've already said that like 3 times.
Yeah, let me show you guys what's going on here. In the morning, it's only gonna get better. I got a little surprise too. I'm gonna drop it right now.